First step is to go to our website, capitalchain.co, and on the upper right side you can see Claim Free Account. And from here you will see the registration form. So all you have to do is to fill out the necessary information. So make sure that you have put in the right information, like phone number, email address, and everything else. In trading experience, you just have to select your experience in trading in preferred markets. You can choose Forex, stocks, cryptocurrency. I'll choose all markets right now. And how did you hear about us? So these are social media platforms. You just have to select where did you see promotional videos, the terms of use, and agree to community engagement guidelines. Just hit agree. So once everything is good, you just have to click Submit Application. And you will see pop-up icon right here about your application has been submitted successfully. So from here, you just have to check your email. Then check your inbox or junk folders. So for now, receiving it from my junk. Choose Not Junk option for specific email address. Then check your inbox. This is the welcome email that you will get after registration. So that includes the login credentials, email, and the temporary password. Now the next step is to log into your dashboard using this information. So go back to the website and then click Login or Sign Up, and then paste or type in your email address and a temporary password. Alright, once you're logged into your two-app Capital Chain, you will notice that there are options on the menu on the upper left. Just click that. You will see a rewards option right here. So basically, you will see the tasks that you need to complete with their appropriate points that you will gain after task completion. There are a total of 10 as of the moment, so let's go ahead and try one. I'll do the follow account for X. I have my X account here. It is important that you have to make sure that the social media is the correct one. Capital Chain, that has a gold banner right here, so you just have to follow the instructions. So this one is for following our page. Click Follow, and then you just have to do a screenshot. Save that and name it to X. Once you have the screenshot, you have to upload that to the appropriate task that you have completed. Say, for example, on my end, I have the X follower account, so I have to upload the screenshot right here, and then hit Complete Task. For now, it will show pending because it will be subjected to review. And let's try again for X like and comment on post. So go ahead to our page, like, and then comment. So once you have completed the task, get a screenshot again and save it. This one is for like and comment. So I'll go ahead and go back to the dashboard. Like and comment on post task, upload and complete task. All right, so all you have to do is to wait for this to be approved. So I go ahead and do testing that once you have completed all the tasks. After you submitted all of the tasks, our team will review this in 24 to 48 hours. I'll go ahead and complete and approve the one I created for this test. We will check and review the submitted tasks. So now everything is perfect. Once approved on the back end, it has been claimed already. So you will get a notification that you will be contacted soon via email for the rewards. And the points has been enough for you to get the free account. Now, what will happen next is you will be getting a separate email for the trading account, where your trading tools and login details. So finally, that's how it should be from registration up until claiming your free account. Thanks for your warm sight, and subscribe for more and new information.